Are you ready to transform your business and stay ahead of the curve in 2025? The game is changing faster than ever, and if you're not evolving, you're falling behind. In this video, we'll reveal the top business trends shaping the future and give you actionable steps to ensure your business thrives in the year ahead. Stick with us until the end to unlock a bonus strategy that could be your secret weapon for success. 2025 is not just another year. It's a turning point for businesses worldwide. Emerging technologies, shifting consumer behaviors, and new market demands are rewriting the rules. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we'll cover the trends you need to know and, more importantly, how to take advantage of them. Let's dive right in. Trend 1: Artificial intelligence everywhere. Artificial intelligence is no longer optional, it's essential. From automating customer service to predictive analytics, AI is reshaping industries. Businesses that integrate AI into their operations will gain a massive competitive edge. Start small if you need to think chatbots, personalized recommendations, or even AI-driven marketing campaigns. The key is to implement now, because by 2025, those who haven't adopted AI will be left in the dust. Trend 2: Sustainability as a business priority. Consumers are demanding more from brands than just products, they want purpose. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a business imperative. Companies that prioritize eco-friendly practices and transparent supply chains are building trust and loyalty. Consider how your business can reduce waste, lower emissions, or offer sustainable alternatives. Not only will this future-proof your brand, but it'll also attract the next generation of conscious consumers. Trend 3: The rise of remote and hybrid workforces. The workplace has changed forever, and flexibility is the name of the game. Businesses that embrace remote and hybrid work models will access a global talent pool and enhance employee satisfaction. Focus on investing in the right tools, like collaboration platforms and cybersecurity measures, to ensure smooth operations. Don't just follow this trend, lead it. Trend 4: Personalized customer experiences. In 2025, customers expect brands to know them better than ever before. This means hyper-personalization is crucial. Use data-driven strategies to tailor your offerings, marketing, and communication. Whether it's a personalized email campaign or a custom product recommendation, make your customers feel seen and valued. Trend 5: The growth of subscription-based models. From streaming services to meal kits, subscription models are thriving. They provide consistent revenue streams and foster customer loyalty. Think about how your business can offer subscription options, whether it's products, services, or even exclusive content. The goal is to build long-term relationships with your customers. Bonus strategy: collaboration over competition. Here's the bonus strategy I promised. In 2025, collaboration will be a game changer. Partnering with other businesses, influencers, or even competitors can unlock new opportunities and expand your reach. Look for win-win partnerships that align with your goals and values. Together, you can achieve more. The future is coming fast, and these trends are your roadmap to success. But remember, knowledge without action is useless. Start implementing these strategies today and position yourself as a leader in 2025. Which of these trends excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe for more business insights and strategies to help you stay ahead of the game. Hit that like button if you found this valuable, and share this video with someone who needs to see it. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in 2025 and beyond.